In today's video, we're going to talk about profitable YouTube niches. Yes, see, most of us just want to create content here on YouTube. I know YouTube is one of the most paid platforms right now, no doubt. But then, YouTube do not pay the same. Different niches, different pay. I know some of you don't know about this. You just want to start creating content on YouTube. You got motivated, you got inspired, which is a good thing. But then, you need to make research. Not all niches pay the same. YouTube pay differently. And I'm going to be very honest in this video. I'm going to share 15 YouTube niches, the most profitable niches, starting from the least paid to the highest paid. So if you're coming across this video, I want you to sit down, see, come closer. Before you start looking for subscribers, looking for watch hour, you need to watch this video, because everybody really wants to get rewarded at the end of the day. So when you get monetized, you don't want to be wowed. You don't want to be surprised. Do you know there are channels here on YouTube? No matter how many views they get, no matter how many likes, engagements, their pay is so small, very small. So before you go into that niche, I want you to watch this video. If you're already creating content, watch this video to find out how much YouTube pay your niche, people in your niche. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video. I don't want to waste your time, but if you're seeing my face for the very first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together, and you know I'm always going to bring things that will help you here on YouTube. So let's just go straight into this video. We're going to start with number 15 on the list. But then before I talk about it, there's something I want to explain real quick. Here on YouTube, there's something called CPM and there's something called RPM. I know for my beginners, all of this will look like a lot of grammar, but don't worry, with time you get used to all of these terms. CPM is actually cost per mil. That is how much advertisers will pay you here on YouTube. Yes, here on YouTube, advertisers pay. And RPM is called revenue per mil. That is your own money. So I want you to understand something. Here on YouTube, all the money you accumulate is not yours. Let's say you get $100 here on YouTube. YouTube will take 45%. Yes, are you hearing it for the first time? And imagine you are in a niche where the CPM is very low. At the end of the day, you'll be going home with peanuts. Number 15 on the list is video game channels. Gaming is a massive niche with millions of daily viewers. You can earn from ads, sponsorships, and loyal fans in this niche. And yes, the average CPM for video games channel is $1.40. Mind you, this is not an estimated amount. It actually varies over time. But I'm here to share realistic amount to expect in these niches. Let's go over to 14 on the list. Number 14 on the list is music channels. Okay, don't get me wrong. When I list all this channel, I'm not saying people are not making a living. People are not making money from these niches. So guys, a lot of these creators, they are making money from these niches, okay? But then you need a lot of views. I mean, you need to get a lot of views for you to really make a reasonable amount of money. So for music channels, their RPM is $1.46. Now, number 13 on the list is bodybuilding and fitness channel. Fitness is an evergreen niche. People always want workout tips, muscle building advice, and healthy lifestyle content when it comes to fitness niche. So the average CPM for this particular channel is $1.60. Now let's head over to review and reaction channels. For review and reaction channels, these channels stay popular because people love honest opinions before trying new movies, products, music, or trending content. So for this particular channel, their average CPM is $2.03. So let's head over to number 11 on the list, tech and gadget niche. Tech is a high-paying niche because people are always searching for gadget reviews, comparisons, and latest technology. The average CPM for this niche is $2.29. So which brings me to number 10 on the list. So if you've gotten to this point and you've not subscribed to this channel and you've not seen anything that I've done for you here on YouTube, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Let's continue. Number 10 on the list is cooking channels. See, you see these guys cooking, sharing recipes here on YouTube. they're making money. Yes, their money and their CPM is quite impressive. The CPM for the cooking niche is $2.50. Before YouTube will remove their own and give you the remaining one, you're going to see something to hold on to. Number 9 on the list is entertainment niche. Entertainment never goes out of style. People are always looking for content that makes them laugh, relax, or stay updated. Entertainment attracts millions of viewers every day, making it a strong niche for consistent growth. This entertainment niche is very populated. We have a lot of persons in the entertainment niche and the entertainment industry, and their average CPM is $2.74. Number 8 is the fashion niche. Fashion is always trending. People love style tips, outfit ideas, and the latest fashion trends. So the average CPM for the fashion and clothing line niche is $3.13. So which brings me to another exciting niche, which is number 7 on the list, lifestyle niche. You see all this vlog, one very special thing about this lifestyle niche, you're so exposed to your audience in a way that if you have audience that love you, they like to see what is happening in your life, a day in your life. Of course, their pay is quite decent, and their average CPM is $3.47. So which brings me to the 6th niche, and the 6th niche is quite interesting. This niche is cars. You see people that are into this car niche, cars, selling cars, reviewing cars. You need money to buy cars and showcase to your audience. Like, this niche is very expensive. Very, very, very expensive. And guess how much they are earning? The average CPM for this niche is $4.23. Quite impressive, but you need a lot of ego, money for you to go into this niche. Now we've come to the top 5 on the list. Top 5. So let's have some drum roll. I know you want to hear number 5 on the list. Some of you are like, they've not mentioned my niche. Some are like, oh my goodness, my niche. Whoa. I understand that feeling. Now let's go to number 5 on the list. Number 5 on the list is photography and film making. All right, so you see these guys, they are making good money. Honestly, they're supposed to, because filmmaking is not actually easy. It's a lot of skills and all of that. So the average CPM, you want to hear? I know you want to hear $7.31. So number 4 on the list, this one is very special to me. I know at this point, with the way and the expression on my face, you can tell. Number 4 on the list is the educational niche. Oh yes, I fall into this niche. You know one thing, people will always seek knowledge. People want to learn, yes, in as much as the views are not so massive compared to the other niches. But trust me, you see, learning can never go old-fashioned. And YouTube pays, the average CPM is $9.89. Quite impressive. Okay, so then, if you're here to like my video, subscribe. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You don't want me to make money? Now, the 3rd niche on the list is personal finance and investing. See all these guys that are into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. They're making money. Don't be deceived. These people are making money. If you have anybody that can teach you all this, their crypto thing, buy Bitcoin or whatever it is, they are making money. And the average CPM is $12.25. Quite impressive. Now, number 2 on the list. Somebody say number 2. All right, social media marketing. See, you see all these people into digital marketing, digital products, digital this. They're making money. YouTube will rate them really high, like the pays. So the average CPM for social media marketing is $12.41. So guys, let's head over to the most paid, profitable, the most profitable YouTube niche ever. Guess, somebody guess. You've watched to this point. I know you cannot wait to hear the most profitable. Guys, make money online niche. See these guys that will tell you how to make money, how to invest money, how to, the kind of site app that will give you money. I know most of these niches are actually quite misleading, but we have the genuine ones who are genuinely going to show you, most of these sites to get this money. I know when I was actually looking for a way to make money online and all that, I actually watched a couple of their videos. These guys, they're making money. Oh, you know what? at least you've been able to see 15 profitable YouTube niches. So before you start creating content, please, my dear, sit down and ask yourself, am I going to make profit from this YouTube niche? Don't just start and at the end of the day you're like, is it like this? Don't be wowed. So before you get wowed, before YouTube wow you, you know what to do. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so more persons can see. You can help your friends and your family who are planning to go into content creating, especially here on YouTube. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. And yes, there is room for adjustment and anything. This is not a final statistics or whatever it is. Okay, I'm gonna see you in another video. Bye.